Get ready to impress with beef bourguignon, a classic French stew that's the ultimate comfort food. Start by searing chunks of beef in a hot pan until they're beautifully browned. In the same pot, sauté onions, garlic, and mushrooms until golden. Pour in a bottle of red wine, scraping up all those delicious bits. Add beef stock, thyme, and bay leaves, then return the beef to the pot. Simmer on low for 3 hours, allowing the flavors to meld into a rich, savory delight. Serve it over creamy mashed potatoes or with crusty bread. For variations, try adding carrots or even a splash of brandy. For a lighter side, a simple green salad with tangy vinaigrette brightens the meal, enhanced with toasted walnuts or shaved parmesan. An endive and walnut salad offers a French twist, combining crisp endive, walnuts, and creamy blue cheese for balance. A cheese course with French cheeses like brie, camembert, or comté adds elegance, served with fresh fruit and crackers for a luxurious finish. Each dish complements beef bourguignon, creating a memorable dining experience that celebrates the joy of good food. With its rich flavors and comforting warmth, beef bourguignon transforms every gathering into a celebration of friendship and culinary delight. Gather your friends and savor every bite of this hearty meal together. Je vous souhaite un bon appétit.